Just going to go back to the home view. Make sure you keep saving it somewhere that you can access it in your documents as well. I'm just going to save this. Let's test. Save that there. Just going to show you two quick things in this quick video, and we're going to create the holes on the bottom as part of the mechanism. We'll go back to this view here. Start a 2D sketch on this base. I'm going to create two holes using that dimension tool to make sure that they're in the right position. So create a circle, left click anywhere around here, doesn't really matter too much. 8.5mm diameter, and we're going to dimension it from the center of that circle down to this line here. Make sure it's 90, and we're going to dimension it from there to the edge of that board. Make sure it's this middle line, not that line. That's going to be 117, just like that. And then we are going to finish sketch. Just extrude that. So make sure that's selected, that circle. Zoom in on it if you need to. Cut that away, 6mm board. Just make sure it's only 6mm. There we go. Start a 2D sketch on that board again. So we make sure we're doing the same on the other side. Circle, roughly around here. Left click, 8.5. Same again, use the dimension tool. So center of that circle, left click. Make sure you got that middle line, not that line there, but this middle line here. And this one's going to be 86. And then we're going to go dimension tool, center of that circle, down to here. And this one's going to be 90 from the bottom again. Just zoom out. Should be in roughly the same position. Might be a little difference between them. And we're going to extrude. Cut it away, 6mm. Make sure that's going the right direction. Press OK. That part's done. Press home. That's the kind of location of where the flipper mechanism is going to go. Just one more tool to show you, just so you can have a go at neatening it up and just sanding down the edges. 3D model. We go to Fillet tool. And I start to select different faces. You might want to just curve off any parts, but don't go over the top with this. But if we just select this here, select that point there, maybe select that point as well. Moment that's kind of rounding it with a 2mm radius. If I change that to 4, you can see how much it changes. If I change it to 10, might reduce the size a little bit. So I'm just going to keep that at 10. You can do that for the channel, just to kind of neaten it up a little bit. I wouldn't use it for the sides, but if you do, again, I'd just maybe select the ones you want and give it a small fillet, just so it looks a little bit more rounded, maybe a 3mm. And that just kind of neatens it up a little bit. But I'm gonna save that till later.